to jump on here really quickly. I'm just going to do a screen capture right now on one of the sites that I have really come to rely on for my family as far as pharmacy and prescriptions and things like that. And I have mentioned it in a video before. I will link that video up here, but I wanted to go on GoodRx specifically for retinoid and Retin-A prescriptions. And a lot of you have mentioned that, you know, and basically I understand it because I went through the same thing, that Retin-A and prescription products are extremely expensive. If we can even get a prescription from our doctor to sign off on it for our age group, it is very hard to go around and go to any of the pharmacies. Usually the insurance does not pick it up because it is referred to as a cosmetic prescription. It's not really for, at least for us in our age group, part of cystic acne or anything like that. So it's very hard to get a good price on Retin-A. Usually a lot of us have to go overseas and order our Retin-A products from either Canada or India or Mexico. A lot of you guys have gone over to Mexico when you guys are on vacation and pick up Retin-A there. I know that that is a very inexpensive place to pick it up, but you know, you never know what you're getting. A lot of people do have hesitation about ordering prescription drugs overseas or from another country because they don't know really, what the ingredients are and if they're legit or not. So with that, I wanted to show you guys GoodRx. This is the website here, www.goodrx.com, and you basically sign up. It's a free subscription. I won't go through the sign up process, but you sign up. It only takes a couple of minutes, and you get a specific code, kind of like a membership number or insurance number, and then you'll get like a little card in the mail along with a key fob type of thing that you can put on your keys. And basically what you do is you will go up on this website and you will type in the pharmaceutical that you want. In this case, it'll be Retin-A, and I'll be typing that in a second. And it will come up with your local pharmacies and tell you the price, discount price of that pharmaceutical item if you apply it with your GoodRx card, and the savings are substantial, let me tell you. Now, one of the caveats is that you can either use your GoodRx discount code, or you can go ahead and put your prescriptions against your insurance company, but you cannot do both. So there are certain ways, for example, I'm on United Healthcare, and there are certain ways where you can pay out of pocket and you can use your GoodRx code to apply it to that discount. And then what you would have to do is fill out a form with your health insurance, attach the receipts, the pharmacy receipts that you get, and then mail that in to your health insurance, and they would apply it against your deductible. If you have a family or annual family or individual deductible, most health insurances will take that payment even though you're processing it through GoodRx, and they will apply it towards your deductible, but they will not basically give you a double discount on it. Okay, so just wanted to make mention of that. That's the disclaimer if you're looking for discounts. So here we go. Let me go ahead and type in Retin-A here. And it actually even comes up with, some of these generic ones. So we'll click on that one. And it will go ahead and list, in my area, I'm in the Roswell, Georgia area, it will list the prices, as you can see on my local pharmacies here, and what I would get it with the GoodRx coupon. Here is your normal retail price, $209 here. Rite Aid has $210. Walmart is $182. And let's go up here. You can filter it. Let me do that. This will be a tube of cream. Now I'll put cream instead of gel. And it is defaulting to 45 grams on 0.025%, so 25%. Cream, I usually get the 0.05%, and I can go lower. I can do a 20 gram tube. Most of my creams do last for a while because, as you know, you use a very small amount, a pea-size amount for your Retin-A products on your face, so they do tend to last a while. So when I do the 20 grams at 0.05%, as you will see, you get all of these, which is a pretty good price here. You don't even need a coupon here. You can get it at CVS Pharmacy, at my local CVS for $42.99. Same at Target, which has a CVS on the premises, which is $42.99. And then if you want to bump up, I usually use Walgreens as my prescription place that I go to, and with the coupon it's $53.82, and Rite Aid is also $53.82. And then you can go down and look at a little, some other places here. It starts to bump up. They usually filter it by price here. If you see, it goes from the lowest to the highest price. Kmart is at 79. Publix is at 102, which is, I don't know why Publix, guys, runs really high on prescription meds, and they don't usually do a discount, and they don't really take Good RX. I just wanted to make mention that Publix does not really, I know it looks like there's a discount here, but there really isn't. Publix does not have an affiliation with Good RX, so I wanted to make mention that. Kroger does, but it's not a huge discount. It's still about $73, and Kmart is about $79. So your best bet is to go to either CVS or Target if you guys want to get the prescription generic. Now, I did generic tretinoin. Now, let's go to brand name and see what the difference is. I'm sure there's going to be a huge bump up on it. Let's go ahead and do that. And again, 20 grams at 0.05%, tube of cream. Now you see the total bump up on there. I mean, it's crazy. It's about, you know, almost 4 times the price as the generic brand. But, you know, if you're really hooked on the actual brand name of a certain brand, then, you know, you can do, it's still $157. I think it's still better. I believe when I went to check a year or so ago, if not longer, on my prescription brand name, it was over $300 at the Publix pharmacy for me to use it. So right over here, Walmart is $157, Kroger is $159, and then you get up into the prices of $160s here for Walgreens, Target, CVS, Rite Aid. So there is a huge difference in pricing between brand and generic. There's another one here called Avita. I don't know what that is, guys. I'm guessing it's just another brand that people use. This seems to go middle of the road. So Walgreens is about $68 with your coupon. Rite Aid is $68. Walmart is $69. Rite Aid here on this other one. Well, Rite Aid within, I guess, Walgreens. I don't know how that works. But this Rite Aid here is $91. And then, of course, then you're going to hit the higher ones here. Publix, as you can see, that's crazy. $215 versus, you know, Walmart for $69. So again, this site, GoodRx, is invaluable to me as far as looking at all my prescriptions and seeing which one has the cheapest brands. And normally, you know, 9 times out of 10, I do go through my health insurance to get our prescription drugs. I have no problem with that. But if you ever have a prescription that is not going to be picked up by your insurance, and another one that I can make mention is, of course, blood glucose test strips. A lot of them are not picked up by my insurance, and so I will go ahead and go through GoodRx to see if any of the blood testing strips are picked up by GoodRx. And let me try one. What the heck was it? I think it's Freestyle. Let me just go and look at that. Freestyle test strips. Let's see what comes up here. Just for those people that are interested, as you can see, Walmart. Oh, this has a meter. Let me see. It's not the meter. Test strips. Let's go ahead and do test strips. And we use the Precision Neo. Oh, price is not found on that one. Okay, let's go to this one. Okay, we'll try this one, Precision Extra, I believe. And here are the prices for 100 test strips. Now they are running very high. You can get the discount. So if you are covered with test strips, you know, go ahead and try to get through the insurance, because that is pretty high. Even at 50, it is pretty high. But I know the Neo, although they don't have it here online, guys, but the Neo is the least expensive, and I believe you can even get that on Amazon if you look at that. So I just encourage you guys to look around and see all avenues that you can get discounts on, whether it is, you know, out of pocket or through your insurance or through GoodRx. Go ahead and do your due diligence with research and try to get the best prices you can. It behooves us to be smart consumers and to get the lowest discount prices that we can possibly get. Okay, so that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about. If you like this video, please smash that like button, because it really helps my ratings, and please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of videos on skincare, healthcare, and all of these things. I do it also for the mature audience, but also for everybody, a little bit of information for everybody concerned. So I love you guys very much. Have a wonderful, healthy day today. Go out and do something positive for someone else. Pay it forward. And I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.